Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh for Sir Adnan and fellow friends. Today I want to present about risk assessment at my company and Focus Timur Sdn Bhd. And my name is Muhammad Raiman bin Muhammad Rashid, and this case study detail a comprehensive risk assessment conducted at Focus Timur Sdn Bhd, a Toyota 4S center in Malaysia. Its cover hazard identification, risk evaluation, and purpose safety improvement to ensure the safer working environment. So this is a company profile, a little about the company, Focus Timur Sdn Bhd. So Focus Timur Sdn Bhd established on 9 November 2017, operate as a Toyota 4S center in Kuantan, Pahang. The company specializes in sales, maintenance and repair of new Toyota vehicle alongside wholesale and retail of parts. It is committed to upholding Toyota quality and service excellence through consistent training and customer-oriented approach. So this is the current organization structure and department. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 department include the showroom, sales, service, workshop, body and paint, spare part and retail, administration, finance and safety quality. So what is workshop operation and safety practice? So the workshop is the business operational area handling daily vehicle service and repair. Safety is paramount, with strict adherence to PPE use, regular equipment inspection, and chemical safety protocols. The first PPE user. Mechanic wear steel-toe shoes, gloves, glasses, and overall. Tools and lift safety. Regular inspection of hydraulic lift damage to replace. Chemical safety. Hazard material stored in label container with MSDS. And the last, training and complaints. Regular toolbox, talk safety, briefing and OSH complaints. So after I made a survey in my company about the hazard identification and risk. So I have 26 potential hazard across various departments, with the workshop being a primary focus due in the height. Okay, the first, lost car key, warranty order, item, heavy object failing, plumber material, chemical spill, detective movement, spillery floor, chronology computer use, customer brace lock, of PPE, unclear SOP, lack of safety training, operated work position, hot cool temperature, non-ergonomic work position, working with battery, interpret of position, high noise vehicle caution, movement to the workshop area, miscommunication, sharp tool, smoking near chemical, customer in the service area, misunderstanding of service information, and the last, computer system broken. So this is about the color risk matrix. The green is very low, yellow is low, and orange is medium, and purple is high, and red is very high. So risk evaluation methodology is identify hazard is symmetrically evaluated based on its likelihood and accurate and the severity of its consequences. This approach helps prioritize risk and develop effective control measures. So this is a key identify hazard and risk. Out of 26 identify hazard, a detailed evaluation highlights several with higher or very high risk level, sensitizing immediate attention and control measure. And this is the example for that. First, we have a heavy object failing. Related risk is injury, property damage, and the risk level is very high. Second, we have plumbered material. The related risk, we have a fire explosion. and risk level is high. The third is chemical spill. The related risk is skin, eyes injury, and sleep. Risk level is high. And fourth, we have slippery floors. Related risk is slip and fall. The risk level is very high. And the last, we have a working with battery. Related risk, acid burn and shock. Risk level is high. So this is a risk rating for each hazard. The risk rating calculated by multiplying likelihood and severity prioritize hazard. Two hazards score 16 indicating in extreme risk level in quality urgent control. So we have a heavy object failing. You can see this is orange. Its mean is very high. And we have a low car key. There's a green color, so this is mean by low. And we have flammable material. It's a red color, so it's stand for high. Chronoless computer use is same like a lost car key is a green color. Chemical spill, slippery floor, we have a orange color, that mean is very high. Working with battery, we have a red color, is mean is high. Lack of safety trainer, we have a green color, that mean is low. Height, noise and movement to workshop area, we use the yellow color, it's mean a medium. So this is a risk score by hazard. So for the conclusion and recommendation, this case study successfully identify and evaluate 26 workplace hazard at Focus Timor Sdn Bhd. Critical hazard, particularly in the workshop, require immediate attention. So the key finding is technicians are most exposed to risk, especially in the workshop. Critical hazard, heavy object failing, slippery floor, and working with battery are top prioritized. Purpose control, emphasis of engineering control, admissibility, produce, and proper PPE use. So continue improvement, ongoing training, and proactive risk management are crucial for safety. So that's all for our presentation, and thank you.